Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Benzene Jira video series. This is Abhijit from Benzene, and today I am going to talk about how to create a story, task and work in Backlog in Jira. Let's see. We have to go to the Jira, search the projects where we want to create the tickets, go to the project, go to the backlog. Now there are two ways to create the tickets here. So I'm going to talk about both the ways. The first way is you can create ticket from here. So this symbol is for the story. So let's write a story. Then if you want to create the task, then click on that and then select the task. We can create any task. Same way if you want to create the bug, select the bug from here and create the any bug. This way we can create the story, task and bug. There is another way to create all these three is like go here, click on the create. From issue type you have to change to the story. You can see the story is created. Then again go to the create, select the task from issue type, name something to your task. When your task is created here, the same way we can create the bug. Go to the bug from issue type and create any bug. And this way you can see that we have created multiple stories, task and the bug. So friend, if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe our Benzene channel for such videos. Thank you so much.